I was there, sure. I think in 2010, when we were building the Culture Hospital, I was just in the saddest story in my business. We were involved with a consortium of a joint venture of companies, local contractors in Kailicha, that was doing the landscaping for the building of the Culture District Hospital. That very same year was the rise and the fall of my business, because we were involved in a 2 million rand contract when we employed plus minus 32 people and 5 permanent people that were permanent. My partner stole about 120,000 rand. In fact, we actually opened a case later on, and then we had to spend monies to buy lawyers and all those kind of things, civil cases. After all these court battles, I had just had to start scratch from fresh. I think as entrepreneurs, it can be tough to make money, to break even. But if that opportunity comes, you just need to be ready. Business is about partnership. How do we supposed to choose partnership? But I think some partners are not good. They can just destroy your business. Other people are not really there to make business. They are just there to make money. My name is Raymond. I am youngpreneur.